So here is the black hollyhock, and as you can see, it's totally been eaten by little animals. So I'm going to make kind of a protective basket, and first I have to move the mulch away. It shouldn't be right up next to the plant anyway. And I just kind of use a big piece of mulch to do that so I don't have to get my fingers gross. And I found all these sticks in the backyard, so I just kind of cut them to about 2 feet tall. And I'm sticking them into the ground all around the plant, just enough, with just enough space for it to be able to grow, but not let the animals through, hopefully. They could probably still dig underneath, under the ground, but this will at least keep the rabbits away, I hope. And so stuck all the sticks around and kind of putting the mulch back. This is what it looks like right now. Just a little circle. Kind of looks cool actually. And now I'm stuffing in some grapevine that I pulled out of the trees. We have it growing everywhere, so it's easily accessible and it grows like crazy. This one's dry. Because we ended up cutting it away from the tree at the base so that it wouldn't choke out a tree we have growing on the side of our driveway. And here I'm showing you how I break kind of the fibers up through the vine just so that it's more bendy and I can weave it easier when it's broken that way. Keep going over and over. There's a piece of mulch blocking the screen or the lens. Okay. Yeah, and I just keep doing this over and over and over again until it creates a basket. And there it is. I hope it works.